Hi friends, this is Ashwin from Finance with Reddy. So the purpose of this video is uh, just want to share my experience in the stock market, and because I am in the stock market from 2009 when I was just 24 years of age. So I started my investment journey in 2009, and I will also let you know that why I refrain to do any kind of trading in the stock market now. I started my investment in stocks in 2009 when I got my job, and subsequently I started increasing my uh, investment in the stock market. I have generated a good corpus as of now. Initially, when I was young and I was new in the stock market, I did intraday, I did FNO, I did intraday even in cash segment, but I made losses everywhere. Everywhere there was a loss for me. It was a gone case for me. But somehow in swing trading, I was able to generate good returns. So swing trading is basically when you recognize some stocks which are on the verge of breakout. When they get their breakout, you invest some amount of money, you hold it for 1 day to even 2 months of the time period, and then you sell your stock after booking a profit. A profit can be booked at 5% or maybe it's 6 or 10%. So thus my experience, I did successfully swing trading for a lot, for a substantial period of time. But then it started affected me somehow, because I would check what is how is Nasdaq going, how is Dow Jones going. When I in early morning I would check Hang Seng and Hang Seng Tech. So this is how I was in the stock market. Even I was doing my job, but I was completely in my stock market. So it started affecting my primary job, which is in the finance related sector. It started hampering my mental peace. I losing orientation towards my primary job, and it became stressful. I am not only doing a job, I do content creation also. I am a content writer. I have a rental properties also, so I have a good amount of allocation in real estate also. So that also has to be taken care. So this is why it was being too stressful for me. So that is why I quit eventually from the trading. Though it was good for me, I was able to generate good returns from swing trading, not from intraday or not from any kind, but swing trading I was able to generate good returns from that. But when it started hampering me in all the way, I was having stress. Even when I go out somewhere, I was always reluctant. I was always worried about that how this stock is going, how that stock is going. So what I learned, that investment is better than trading. You do investment. In trading, you get 5%, 6%, 10%, but investment gives an opportunity to you that you get 100 or even 200% of from some stock. And take your investment as a business. It's not a job. It's a it's a setup of the middle class mind setup, that we try to get a salary out of stock market, which is incorrect. Stock market is a very good vehicle to generate a proper or a good amount of wealth over after a certain period of time, but it's certainly not a vehicle from where you can generate an income, a monthly income, which is, I feel, not correct in the case of stock market. uh, Focus has to be on your primary earnings, which is your career. You develop new skills which will become beneficial for you to earn more. So try to generate more from your income, and then you will be able to generate more return of investment, more ROE you will able to generate if you invest more. So that has to be your primary goal. If you are in your early phase of your career, do investment in your skills. Skills are very much helpful. If you are engineer, try to learn coding, try to learn other language, and in other journey, in other career, you can do something else. So this is what I